नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे तुमचं आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत इलेक्ट्रिकल अँड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मेजरमेंट या टॉपिकवरील महत्त्वाचे MCQ. महाट्रान्सको भरती 2023साठी अतिशय महत्त्वाचे इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ असणार आहे फॉर असिस्टंट इंजिनियर आणि असिस्टंट टेक्निशियन या पोस्टसाठी. पाहूयात MCQ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन घेऊया. प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 पहा काय सांगत आहे. युनिट ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन सेन्सिटिव्हिटी ऑफ ए CRO इज. ऑप्शन आहे व्होल्ट पर mm, मीटर पर व्होल्ट, mm पर मिली व्होल्ट और mm पर व्होल्ट. सो here is right answer is what? Option second, meter per volt. Okay, the unit of deflection sensitivity of CRO is measured in meter per volt. Okay, meter per volt हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. आता डिफ्लेक्शन सेन्सिटिव्हिटी म्हणजे काय असणार आहे. इट इज ॲक्च्युअली व्होल्टेज रिक्वायर्ड टू ट्रान्सफर द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बीम. ओके, electronic beam to the CRO. Okay, to the CRO throughout the length is nothing but the deflection sensitivity of CRO. Next पाहूयात प्रश्न क्रमांक 2. Swapping resistance is used to compensate error due to temperature true variance. Okay, swapping resistance is used to compensate error due to temperature true variation, error due to strong magnetic field both A and B and none of the above. So swapping resistance काय असणार आहे. swapping resistance is nothing but error due to what? Temperature. Okay, एरर ड्यू टू टेम्परेचर ट्रू व्हॅरिडन्स हे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन या ठिकाणी काय असणार आहे, योग्य आन्सर असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. तर रेजिस्टन्स इज यूज टू कॉम्पेन्सेट एरर ड्यू टू टेम्परेचर. ओके, स्वॅपिंग रेजिस्टन्स कशासाठी वापरतात? टू फाइंड आउट द एरर ड्यू टू टेम्परेचर, दॅट इज ट्रू व्हेरिएशन. नेक्स्ट पाहूयात प्रश्न क्रमांक 3. The chemical effect of current is used in what? Option आहे first DC ampere hour meter, second DC ammeter, third option आहे DC energy meter आणि fourth आहे none of the above. So chemical effects mean what? The current is to be created by battery. Okay, a chemical effect काय असणार आहे? Current which is to be created by a battery, hence the DC ampere hour meter is used to measure what? The ampere hour rating in battery. Okay, so DC ampere hour meter is used to measure the ampere hour rating in battery. So option first या ठिकाणी काय असणार आहे, योग्य आन्सर असणार आहे. द केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ अ करंट इज यूज्ड इन DC एम्पियर आवर मीटर. नेक्स्ट पाहूयात प्रश्न क्रमांक 4. द हाई टॉर्क टू वेट रेशो इन एनालॉग इंडिकेटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट इंडिकेट्स. ऑप्शन आहे लो फ्रिक्शन लॉस, सेकंड हाई फ्रिक्शन लॉस, थर्ड नथिंग रिलेटेड टू फ्रिक्शन लॉस and fourth option is none of these. So here is the right answer is what? Option first, low friction loss is the correct answer. Okay, always indicate that fast response. Okay, analog indication at the low friction loss and high torque, it always indicate the fast response. Okay, high response of the system, hence the system has a low friction loss. Okay, so option first is the right answer. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Option: magnetic field intensity, flux density, magnetic potential, fourth relative permeability. Okay, so here is the right answer is magnetic field intensity is the vector quantity. Option first is the right answer. Okay, so magnetic field intensity is a force. Okay, nothing but force. When we applied force on magnetic field, magnetic field is to be generated. Okay, magnetic field is to be generated when you apply force on the metal or body, then EMF will be induced. Okay, next question number 6. A 0 to 250 volt voltmeter has a guaranteed accuracy of 2% of full scale reading. Okay, what is the percentage of error if it measures in 150 volt? Okay, so percentage of error here we have to find out. So maximum error is equal to 2% are given. 2% of 250, that is how much? 250 divided by 100 into 2%, then is equal to 5 volt. Okay, is equal to what? 5 volt. Then percentage of error we have to find out. Error is equal to 150 volt, that is 5 into 100 divided by 150, how much? 3.33%. that is option second is the right answer. Next, question number 7. The inductance of a certain moving iron ammeter is expressed as L is equal to 2 plus 5 theta minus 2 theta micro H. However, that is the control spring torque is 2 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per radian. Find the deflection in radian for a current of 2 ampere. Okay, so torque is equal to 0.5 I square dl upon d theta. Okay, so here is I given. I is equal to 2 ampere, then torque is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 Newton meter per radian. Okay, so and dl upon d theta is equal to what? 5 minus 2 theta. Okay, so 5 minus 2 theta is equal to 1. Then theta is equal to how much? 2. Here is 3 theta 1. Then theta is equal to 3 minus 1, that is theta is equal to 2. So here is deflection in radiation. How much? Theta is equal to 2. So here option is second is a right answer. Next, question number 8. The internal resistance of milliammeter used to be very low for high, option है high sensitivity, high accuracy, high precision, minimum effect of the current in the circuit. So here is a right answer is what? The internal resistance of milliammeter used to be must be very low. Okay, low for what? The high precision. Okay, So high precision is the right answer. Next, question number 9. Deflection method of direct measurement are most widely used as these are option least time consuming, most simple and least time consuming, most accurate. Okay, so deflection method direct measurement are mostly used in what? Used as there are deflection method direct measurement. So most simple and least time consuming this method. Therefore, deflection method in direct measurement system most widely used. Next, question number 10. The potentiometer method of DC voltage measurement is more accurate than the direct measurement using a voltmeter because. Okay, so here is option is it loads the circuit moderately, it loads the circuit to maximum extent, it uses a center zero galvanometer instead of voltmeter, and option 4, it does not load the circuit at all. Okay, so here is right answer is what? The potentiometer DC voltage measurement is more accurate than the direct measurement. Okay, so potentiometer is that this is nothing but a device that to be convert linear into angular displacement into voltage. Okay, linear into angular displacement. Okay, so here is a right answer is what? It uses center zero galvanometer instead of voltmeter. Okay, so here is third option is the right answer. Next question. Relative error is same as. Okay, relative error is same as what? Option ratio of absolute error and true value, second absolute error, third true error, and none of the above. So relative error is the ratio of absolute error to the true value. So option first is the right answer. Next, question number 12. When checked with an ohm meter, okay, when checked with an ohm meter, an open resistor reads the option high but within tolerance, low but not zero, and zero and infinite. Okay, so when we have to check the error on the ohm meter, then it shows the infinite readings. Okay, open resistance means what? That resistance of air gap. Okay, air gap. So air gap resistance is absolutely the infinite. Okay, infinite. So option 4 is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is a variable displacement transducer? Okay, variable displacement transducer. So tachometer, potentiometer, synchronous, and none of these. So here is right answer is potentiometer. Okay, potentiometer is a device that can be used to convert the linear or angular displacement. What? Linear or angular displacement into a what? Voltage. Into a voltage. Variable displacement of a transducer is used as an error detector. For what purpose? Error detector is used as a transducer. Okay, so here is the right answer is variable displacement transducer is the potentiometer. Next question. Question number 14. Piezoelectric effect is carried out in option composite filter, crystal filter, M derived and constant, K prototype. So piezoelectric effect is to be carried out in what? Crystal filter. Okay, so piezoelectric effect is that when the mechanical strain is to be applied to the force. Okay, piezoelectric effect म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? when a mechanical strain is to be applied on one face of the suitable to the cut face. Okay, one face, then it's suitable to the other cut face, it causes EMF. Okay, it causes EMF to the other face. Okay, when mechanical strain is applied to one face suitable to cut face, it causes EMF generated. Okay, EMF generated to the other face. In that piezoelectric effect, the crystal filter is to be used. Okay, so these are the some important questions regarding electrical and electronics measurement instrument. So I hope you like this video. Next we are going to see the other important MCQs. Okay, thank you.